Hey beauties, struggling to get glowing skin without breaking the bank? I've got you covered with a full AM and PM skincare routine, using only drugstore products under $10. Let's keep it simple, affordable, and super effective. Morning routine. First up, cleansing. I use the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, gentle, oil-free, and great for normal to oily skin. It removes overnight oils without stripping your skin. Cost? Around $9. Next, a toner. I love the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7%, helps with texture and gives a gentle glow. Just 2 to 3 times a week though, not daily, in budget. Dickinson's Witch Hazel, $5. Moisturizer. Lock-in hydration with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, lightweight, hydrating, and no greasy finish. For morning glow, I use Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum, helps brighten, shrink pores, and it's under $8. Never skip SPF. I use Biore UV Aqua Rich or Garnier Super UV SPF 50+. Both are lightweight and affordable. Trust me, this is the key to glowing skin long-term. Night routine. Start with an oil cleanser if you wear makeup or sunscreen, like Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water or Simple Cleansing Oil. It melts everything off. Gentle cleanser, follow up with the same morning cleanser. We love a 2-in-1 budget buy. Treatment optional. Got breakouts? Try Clean and Clear Persa Gel 10 or La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo. Use only on pimples. Hydrating serum. Nighttime is perfect for repair. I apply the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, helps plump and hydrate overnight. Night cream. Seal it all in with Pond's Light Moisturizer or Nivea Soft Cream. Affordable, nourishing, and works like magic. Lips and eyes. Don't forget lips and eyes. Vaseline for lips and a dab of aloe gel for under eyes. Simple, effective, and under $2. And that's my complete affordable skincare routine, morning and night, under $50 total. Skincare doesn't need to be expensive to be effective. Let me know in the comments what your favorite budget skincare product is, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Turn on the bell so you never miss a glow up.